What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Gartrell here again with another episode for No Lift Garage. So today is actually my birthday. So yeah, I guess today's June 10th. You probably won't be seeing this on June 10th, but today's June 10th, and I have turned 24. Big 2-4. Kobe year. Rest in peace. Honestly, just wanted to share this with you guys. The sponsor, Horizon Motorsports, sent us actually a small care package until the big ticket item actually does arrive, and I cannot wait till it arrives. Also, if you haven't checked out their website, it's down in the description below, and we have the No Lift coupon code going right now where you can get 5% off of any item on the site, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you guys at Horizon Motorsport. But for today, I'm just going to install the button, chill. I've been chilling all day. Day's really ending. Gonna get some food and just end out a good decent birthday in quarantine. But yeah, so let's just get started right away. The easiest install that you can do on a BMW. Also, just wanted to share with you that nice little plate, little piece de resistance. So it's pretty tight in this car. I'm gonna try my best to actually record the whole thing. So simply, we're gonna be changing the start-stop button on the M4. So I've seen a couple videos how to do it. I'll just try it, show you what I do. I'm gonna use masking tape because you're all up in my face. I'm gonna use some masking tape because I don't want to mess up the trim. So I'm gonna lay some masking tape right on the edge here, and I'll be able to use the pry tool to pop the button out. As you can see, I laid down the masking tape using this ply tool. I just kind of like pushed into it and out. Didn't that mess up any of the trim on the dash, as you can see. And now we can just pull the button out. All right, so now you just have to unplug that and then we can get cracking. All right, we're already almost there. So this is the button all out, right? Now, as you can see, there's like these little tabs here. Maybe you can see that. There's a tab there, there, and there on the bottom. Just separate those from this piece, and then we can access the button to unclip it. Okay, so I've separated it. It's pretty simple. Like I said, just like pull back on the tab. Be careful, you don't want to break them. If you need help, you can always use like a little, this is what I used actually. I used one of these to help kind of just like gently lift it up, and they each came off one by one on the edge, and I was able to pull it off very simply. They didn't seem like they wanted to break by me bending them a little bit, but obviously be careful, you don't want to break your stuff. Now what we have to do is on the inside, you can see there's like a little tab right there in the very center of the screen. There's a little tab. You're gonna separate the actual button from that tab on both sides. The little tab, you're gonna push in on those two tabs on the inside, and then the button should just fall right out. So I was able to, so now that you can see a little bit better, so these two are on the inside of here, and you just want to separate them and push them in like this on each side. Push them in, and then kind of like push out at the same time. If not, just have someone help you, or I didn't need help, but I just kind of pushed in on both sides and then pushed forward a little bit, and the button like flew out. So now all we have to do is just simply put in our new button. So there's the start-stop button, courtesy of Horizon. Again, check them out in the description below. 5% off with the code NOLIFT. Everything's in the description, like I said. So this is just the first little tiny thing they sent me. The big ticket item is coming, like I said. I really can't wait. So we just have to take the button, literally pop it into place on the actual bezel. It's kind of like hiding right there, sorry. Push that into the same spot, and then literally reassemble everything exactly the way we just put it back together. So I'll show you how to do that. So I figured out a way to actually prop the camera with the small tripod so that we could actually see everything while I'm talking. I'm not going to redo everything, but I'll definitely show you how to put everything back. So now that we have the new button, thumbnail. Alright, maybe I'll leave that in the video. Literally just going to put the button to where it's supposed to be. Press into it. Now it's locked into place. Well, almost locked into place. Gonna have to use the little pick tool to maybe set it correctly. There we go. That's on. Now they're both on, you see? There's one there, and that's where you would separate it on the original button. So now that it's in place, literally that looks a lot sportier, so that's cool. We take the other half, make sure that the button pad is still there and in the same exact position and place. Literally just snap it back together, make sure that they all clip in, all the little clips. This one's on, they're all on, perfect. So now the button is in place. It's got some resistance to it, as it should. Literally just gonna plug this back in. Make sure it's snug. And we're actually gonna test it before we put it back in, just in case. So I'm gonna step on the clutch. Beautiful. Gently. Let me turn this off. Definitely too loud for you guys. I already know. My cold start is definitely too loud. But now we just gotta press the button back into the bezel. Boom. And no, we don't want any music. So now the button is all in. Looks nice and clean. No damage to the dash whatsoever. And that, my friends, is a job well done. I'm gonna just throw in some decals for the car now, just because I want people to know my Instagram. Follow me, please. Everything's in the description. I'm also gonna post my YouTube on my car, so hopefully we can get a community going around here, because I love that stuff. Yeah, but I'll just show you that stuff later. I'm starving. And I have a question for you guys actually also. So a lot of the videos I've been putting out have been more so informational, not so much about my life. Doesn't have that much of my life in it. And I don't know, I'm not like the most private person in the world, but I just want to get your guys' like opinion on if I should do more vlog style stuff. Like, should I just like start my day and then get to it, or like I want to know, I want some feedback, because I want to make this as entertaining for you guys. And if that means bringing you guys along for like portions of my life, or whatever the case may be, or the small day-to-day stuff, I'll gladly incorporate that stuff. So if I could please get some feedback on this, I'll leave a comment, please. Also, like, subscribe to the channel, check out the other videos that we got. We have plenty. And yeah, I'm starving. I'm gonna throw the decals on. I'm gonna go get my food. I'm gonna get some lobster rolls, because if anyone's had lobster rolls, check it out. I'm going to the Rex Burger and Lobster to grab my food. See, like, this is the type of thing that I would want, that if you guys wanted me to bring you along, I would gladly do that. You know, maybe just to hear the cars, like, you know, running, or whatever the case may be. But anyway, I'm getting too deep into it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my birthday. For my birthday wish, subscribe. Thank you. Peace. Later.